To file a lawsuit or submit an arbitration claim against your HOA or homeowners association in Florida concerning a condominium dispute, you need to follow a structured approach. The first step is to review the governing documents. Start by reviewing your condominium's governing documents. These include the Declaration of Condominium, Bylaws, and Rules and Regulations. These documents outline the responsibilities and rights of both the homeowners and the HOA. Second, attempt a resolution. Before escalating to a lawsuit, try to resolve the issue through direct communication with the HOA. Many disputes can be settled without legal action, which can save time and money. Third, undertake mandatory pre-suit mediation. Florida law often requires mediation before you can file a lawsuit. If mediation is mandatory for your dispute, you'll need to attend a session with a neutral mediator to try to resolve the issue. If mediation fails, you can proceed to court. The final step is to file a complaint or arbitration claim. If mediation doesn't resolve the dispute, you can file a lawsuit in the county where your condominium is located or arbitration claim if it is subject to an arbitration clause. The complaint should clearly state the facts of the dispute, the specific provisions of the governing documents that the HOA allegedly violated, and the relief you are seeking. Following these steps can help you effectively pursue legal action against your HOA in Florida. With the recent law changes in Florida, HOA disputes can be very complex, so it's advisable to consult with an attorney who specializes in condominium law to ensure your case is handled correctly and to maximize the chances of a favorable outcome.